What are we going to do with this stuff?
Eat it?
Yeah.
I want to eat that. I'll eat it. I want to eat a piece. I'll eat it.
How about we each get a bite?
I'll eat the bite too.
Girl! What you doing?
We have to put more Christmas lights on. That was actually big icicle.
Big icicle?
Icicles.
They having snowflakes on there. They probably have.
Tuesday, what is this that your sister's making?
A gingerbread house.
Yeah?
Gingerbread house. Gingerbread house.
What's that gingerbread song?
What?
Now touch me. I'm a gingerbread man.
Yeah, you know it.
Yeah. That's a good song.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. Under the book of it, there's a... Let's see who...
The house is starting to take shape.
Yep. So
Let's see who...
Where's the
can draw-
gingerbread man? Inside?
Yeah.
this house only includes just a house. This one included.
He's inside his house doing sweet.
Yeah?
Yeah, and he doesn't want to pee.
Ooh!
And poop.
Ooh!
And pee.
You have to flush the toilet.
But he doesn't because he's a gingerbread man.
Yeah.
Does he poop ginger?
No poopy.
He poops jelly beans.
Yeah, poop jelly
He
beans.
poops his rocks.
Yeah.
Oh, that is
He poops his balls.
Oh, okay. He pointed at those, but nobody.
Let me do it, okay? Tuesday, Dad and I will think.
Eddie, what soda do you want?
Okay.
Coke.
No.
Who wants this?
Me. Papa, please you open this.
Do the windows over there. How do you want me to do the windows?
Just line it, like corners. Just corners.
Thank you. Thank you.
More
That is not right.
icicles on this side.
That is not right. Why you know that?
Sugar and icing.
My name is Zipper.
Were you videotaping me coughing? Shoot.
My name is
You were.
Fine. That is my thing.
This is the back of the house.
Uh-huh. Oh. Wait, why was the elf always so sad? Will, don't answer.
I don't know. Why?
Because he had low elf-esteem.
Your laugh is so
face.
Self-esteem.
Papa, I think we can put the pizzas in now. It's been about 10 minutes.
No, it says oven on.
It's still preheating.
Papa, why'd you just videotape them?
The oven, I don't
It's
think
a
it's that-
story that's a part of the story.
What? How we made a pizza? So touching.
How we made the pizza.
There's multi-dimensions to this gingerbread house.
Papa.
I like the front.
Fail. Dang, you missed
And
also.
Addie's eating up all the materials.
What?
What's that?
And well, you're supposed to... Let's spin this around a little bit.
Addie is no longer Addie.
Oh, yeah.
Addie, that was in my mouth. Another one now. Where? Get here.
Look at these icicles. What?
Nothing.
Okay, now you
As the buzzer sounds.
No one cares about the pizza.
Photo bomber will. Or video bomber.
see the big chunks coming out of there.
Stir it up. That's good.
What?
Is that your front yard?
He ate all the jelly beans.
Who?
You!
No, I didn't. No. Actually, I gave him the Tuesday.
Papa,
we're done.
No.
Papa, look, we put initials on them now.
Yeah?
Look at the initials. AEWP. Eddie, you just went in front of me. Here, let me see it.
Where?
I'll show you. Here, I'll show you. AEWP.
Very good.
Are we done? Because I have this game.
Wow, spin it around.
This is the sophisticated side, and this is the great side. I don't care. I'm a
Go
gingerbread
easy
house
on
side.
that. We don't want to collapse it on it, all right? Hopefully structure, integrity.
It's
gotta-
very sad.
So much like
I think a lot of that
Blood, sweat,
icing's
and
gonna hold it
well,
together.
because you put all the icing on that.
Papa, there's a monster outside.
What?
In the back.
Wait, Papa's outside?
No.
Oh, get it.
Maybe it's the what's
Goes
this?
to Target.
Phenomenal snowman. What was that called?
Yeah, you got it right.
Abominable.
Chubby.
You guys should do a chubby little snowman with
A chubby little snowman. And a fun nose. I like it. I like you top pose. No.
Do it normal. Sit down and do it
A
normal.
chubby
No,
little
sit.
stand up. A chubby little snowman. And a careful nose. A long butt. And what do you pose? Ain't that snowman's head? Nibble, crush! No, nibble,
What do
crush.
you
I did. Suppose.
Oppose.
Suppose.
Oppose.
Suppose.
Suppose.
Oppose.
Baby, suppose that it's down. Papa, you're white. You're white. Shout, good boys and girls, don't give any boys. I care for me out pack. With this, she got my dog. Shoot on my side. I know that it's me good. That's so fun. And that's Jimmy, he didn't to shout. And boys and girls don't take any toys and pull me out. Pop, my beard is black, so now my sack. No, this is we choose. This is simple. With Sandy got make us a job.
Look it.
And hold yourself, okay? Do it.
Will.
Yeah.